Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Here is your opportunity to own a relatively new 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house, which is selling at a considerable low price. It is located in Nain, St. Elizabeth. This house was thoughtfully designed with a split level to accommodate a lower floor, self-contained section that can be used if needed to generate extra income while enjoying quiet living at the upper level. The lower floor is 100% complete and comprises of a veranda, living and dining room combined, kitchenette, a bedroom, a bathroom, and its own water tank and GPS meter. The upper floor is 80% completed and comprises of a front balcony, single car garage, a sunken master bedroom with ensuite bathroom, a bedroom, a bathroom, and an open concept designed area with a living room, dining room, and kitchenette. This section also has its own water tank and GPS meter. Its location is approximately 10 minutes away from the rapidly developing town of Junction to provide all your shopping needs while still allowing you to enjoy the peace and calm you seek while you get home. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 16.3 million or US $105,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.